Hi, Kylie. So nice seeing you guys again. This is Pao Kanyabo. Well, I do have a question. Was it difficult for you guys to shoot in Singapore?
Visible?
Difficult. Or
difficult.
is there any challenges to have to work in abroad?
Work abroad?
Yeah,
Actually, mas madali nga working in Singapore, I guess, kasi napaka-efficient nila, napaka-bilis,
yeah. Perfect.
No, actually, napakabilis, napakadali, napaka-efficient nila magtrabaho. We only worked with probably mga less than 30. Less than 30 yung staff namin sa Singapore, and everything, the protocols, super safe, sobrang professional lahat. It didn't even feel like work when we were working, and no, actually mas na-enjoy ko nga working in Singapore, less stress, bagong environment, tapos napakadali and so efficient. And siguro kasi madami din kaming preparation na ginawa dito, so mas naging madali yung shoot dun sa Singapore.
So as Kylie said nga, we were about 30 or 40 people, half were Filipinos. Tapos sobrang blessed na nagkasundo yung both sides. Because I mean, you were working on one common goal eh. So everything just went smoothly. Tapos yung sinabi ko nga before dun sa press con, yung advantage, walang traffic. So pagtapos namin, uy tara, kain tayo, uy tara, tulog na tayo. Parang, in that regard, parang relax siya, ganyan.
Mas relax. But how is it working with them po?
Kylie and
Kylie and
Pao?
Pao, yeah.
Sobrang okay. I mean, I think I'm a new director and I've been blessed to work with not just talented actors but sobrang dedicated. So, I could not have asked for any better collaborators in the project.
Ayun lang po. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Congratulations, Derek, and of course, Kylie Versosa for this amazing and beautiful film. Can I just say na ang ganda nung rapport yung dalawa ni Paolo bilang Bettina and Jared, no? Parang hindi pilit yung mga scenes nyo doon and nakakakilig. First things first, Miss Kylie, how does it feel working with Paolo Avellino? And ano yung after working with him, ano yung discover mo sa kanya?
I've always wanted to work with Paolo. Isa siya sa mga artist na gusto ko talagang maka-work kahit nag-start pa ako sa showbiz. Actually, my first movie was with him, Kasal, with Director Ruel Bayani. And after that, hindi kami nagkatagpo bilang workmates, but this one we were given a chance. Super mait, super professional. Papanoorin mo lang siya, may certain way siya na medyo mysterious na intriguing at the same way. He's very, very quiet. He's a very serious actor na I admire. Super madali, and work is easy with him. Parang hindi nga kami masyadong nag-uusap off-set, mas on-set na lang, pero mas prefer ko na gano'n kasi mas nakaka-focus kami as characters on our own, so it was really nice working with him.
Thank you, Miss Kylie. And to Derek, correct me if I'm wrong, kayo po yung nagsulat din dito?
Yes.
Yes. Ano po yung, can you give us a little brief, paano yung conceptualization nyo while making this film elevator?
Parang isang malaking inspiration sa akin yung lolo ko kasi migrant din siya from China here, tapos gumawa ng bagong buhay. So parang yun yung parang isang spirit ng sipag lang na nadala dun sa film. And then number two, yung when me and the Rain family would go to Singapore for the ATF and all that, ang dami ko nakakahalubilang mga Pilipino. At exactly yun, kung ano nakita sa film. Kay tropa silang lahat ng ibang nationalities. Tapos regardless kahit yun nga, galing kayo sa ibang lugar, you share in this common grind, this common goal to improve yourself, improve your family. So, yun yung ano doon, yun yung malaking inspirasyon.
Kaya pala, sobrang relatable yung group nila doon sa work, no?
I'd like to think na kami yun nila Lino pag kumakain, uy, kamusta yung kimchi mo?
Very relatable talaga. Congrats Derek and congrats Kylie.
First of all, congratulations, Derek. Ang dami mong movies.
Nandito ulit tayo.
Nakahapon lang kita tayo. So, yan, congratulations po sa mga movie niyo, especially ngayon yung Elevator dahil maganda nga siya, maganda yung napanood namin. So, my question lang po is about, tungkol sa Derek, is question behind the title of Elevator. I know yung setting po niya is Elevator, so baka yun yung naging title. Pero ano po yung naging idea behind it? Bakit yun yung naging decision na maging title ng movie?
Ako talaga, yung subtext ko dyan is Elevator. So, parang yun sana yung hindi lang nila pinayagan na gawing love talaga. Pero in my head, yun sana siya. Pero yun lang, kasi parang buhay, parang love. May taas, may baba. Importante sumasakay ka, tumataya ka. Tapos kung saan ka dadalhin nun, diba? Parang
Okay, my second question for you, Derek, is, yung mga characters ba ni Paolo and ni Kylie is sila na talaga yung role doon or nag-audition sila for this role?
Sila, so si Kylie, parang last year pa natin, nung nag-can tayo, we were already building this can. Tapos si Paolo was always there on my Jared list. As in, parang siya nga lang talaga. Nung kami, the Elevator was part of the ATF accelerator pitch. So yung parang pinapresent siya sa ibang mga companies, si Paolo yung nandun sa deck talaga na we were presenting the whole way through it.
Thank you so much, Derek. And last, my question is for Miss Kylie. For this role po, ano po yung naging preparations nyo and paghahanda nyo? And ano po yung unang naging reception nyo nung binigay sa inyong role? Are you hesitant po ba or kinuha nyo agad?
Oh, I really wanted the role. Pagkita ko pa lang nung pitch, nung elevator pitch. I really wanted to do it. Then I saw the people who were behind it and everything that they did, so I really wanted to be a part of it. Preparations para dito. Ang maganda kasi kay Direk, very collaborative siya, so hindi lang yung pagsulat niya, pero nagtatanong din siya, what do you think about Bettina? Who do you think she is? So, parang onwards towards the film, parang mas nagiging Kylie na si Bettina. So that's what I love about it. And preparations, ako bilang actor, I really need a lot of preparation. Kailangan ko ng time and space and focus to be on my own space and to have my own process. Kailangan ko talaga ng time. So yun, I probably need like 1 to 2 months of preparation just to fit into a role.
Thank you so much po, Derek and Miss Kylie. Congratulations po ulit.
Welcome.
And everyone, kindly settle down and please raise.
Oo, habang nanonood ako, parang feeling ko maganda siyang i-develop into a series. Have you considered that?
We are actually considering a series for it. Good take on it. Parang may wealth of characters kasi, like yung mga tropa ni Jared's army as we call them. All the actors, kasi sila Malaysian, Thai, ganyan. I asked them to build their own story. Kasi syempre, hindi ko naman kaya i-fake yung culture nila doon. So I asked it to come from them. So may wealth of story nga, not just with Jared and Bettina's character, but yung mga peripheral characters in the movie. So on point yung tanong mo. Thank you.
At saka direct
Foreign cast nyo, ang galing.
Oh, thank you. Legit yun si Adrian, di ba?
Especially si Byron. Alright, I think we can hear each other, right?
Yes,
so,
we
let's
can.
nawalan po tayo ng